Another way of solving simultaneous equation is the substitution method. Now here we can see y is equal to 2x plus 3 and here y is equal to uh, 24 plus x. So we can both are equal to y, so we can just write these two, we can equate them here like this, because 2x plus 3 is also equal to y and 24 minus x is also, and these type of equations we can do mentally as we have done in the previous lessons. So this minus x will go to the other side as plus x, so we'll have 3x on the left side, and this 3 will go to the right side as minus 3. So on the right side we have 24 minus 3, that is 21, and in the next step we divide both equations by 3 to get x is equal to 7. Now this value of x is equal to 7 we can substitute again in any one of the equations. So let's take this one, it seems easier. Y is equal to 24 minus x, that is 7. So y is equal to 17. That's our answer. X is equal to 7 and y is equal to 17. Now sometimes both are not equal to y. Still, if one of them is equal to y or is equal to x, we can we can substitute that value in the other equation. Let's see here. Here we have y is equal to 2x plus 3, and we can substitute this value here in this y. So 3x plus 2x plus 3 is equal to 13. On the left side we have 5x, and on the right side we have 13 minus 3, that is 10, and this tells us that x is equal to 2. So this value of x is equal to 2 we can put in any equation. So we have y here, so we'll put in this equation y is equal to 2x, that is 2 times 2 plus 3, and y is equal to 4 plus 3, that is 7. So that is our solution. And sometimes we need to take care of the brackets also, and we have done that before. So this value of y will come here, but this y is being multiplied by 3, it's 3y, so we'll put brackets here. So let's do it here, 2x plus 3 times, now here we'll put the value of y is equal to 67, and value of y is 4x minus 1, right? So we first multiply the bracket out, 2x plus 3 times 4 is 12x minus 3 times 1 is 3 is equal to 67. We have on left side 14x, and on right side we have 67 minus 67 plus 3, that is 70. And when we divide both sides by 14, we get x is equal to 5. Now this value of x is equal to 5 we can put in any equation. So let's put in this one, y is equal to 4x, that is 4 times 5 minus 1, that is 20 minus 1, and it will give us 19. That's the solution of these simultaneous equations. If you want to get full benefit of this course, then do the practice sheet of this lesson before moving on to the next lesson.